Our world is full of sounds that we hear every day. On the street, in the tram, in cafes, in restaurants, in nature, even when we have just woken up and opened the window, we can hear the birds making their sounds, their language.
Our language is full of sounds. Every country has its own language sounds. Spanish, Italian, Polish, Austrian, Czech, and you hear it. Each language has its own special sound. It is the same with music. It's a universal language. People communicate and connect with each other through sounds and gestures. Let me introduce you to some of the most famous musicians who knew the importance of this and created masterpieces, most of which we know through their universal language, their sound. Mozart, Beethoven, Bach, Bedřich Smetana, Frédéric Chopin, Manuel de Falla, Rosalia, Bushido, Taylor Swift, Ed Sheeran. They all knew the importance of the language of music. So we can listen and learn and put into our art what we have heard, what we have found in this universal language. All countries in the world are showing their best talents in Eurovision Song Contest. The Eurovision Song Contest is more than just a musical spectacle. It is a window to cultural diversity and creative expression from around the world. The participants bring not only their voices to the stage, but also the essence of their nations, their stories, and their musical traditions. It is an opportunity for countries to come together in peace and unity and showcase their artistic talents without borders or prejudice. Every song tells a story. Every performance carries the soul of a country. It is a celebration of cultural diversity where the world comes together to celebrate music and art. And at the end of the day, it is not just one country that wins, but the music itself that reaches the hearts of people all over the world. The Eurovision Song Contest is a sign that music and art can unite us, regardless of our differences, and that the world can sing in unison. Today, we live in a world that is characterized by technology. Influences are everywhere, and cultures are influencing each other more than ever before. Musicians from different countries are collaborating and creating new genres and sounds that combine different cultural influences. They communicate with each other through music. In a world characterized by technology and connectivity, music serves as a bridge between cultures. It allows people from different parts of the world to connect and create masterpieces together. The fusion of sounds and styles shows how musicians today are crossing borders and creating a rich variety of music that reflects the diversity of our globalized world. Music is the universal language that brings people from different cultures together and unites our world in sound and rhythm. What do you think about communicating through music? Would you try to say something through music? What do you think is specific to your own culture? What differences have you noticed in other cultures between your country and other countries?